Hi, I'm Beth Ann Webb. I hope you're ready to make masks with me.
First, you'll want to cover your area. You can do this with paper towels or a trash bag. Next, you'll need a plastic cup to put your water in. The water here gets full of plaster. It doesn't go down the sink. Have some scissors handy, then you're ready to begin. You're going to take the plaster strips and dip them into the water. Let the water drain off and then apply them to your surface. You can form the mask however you want. Let's talk about this mask. The mask can only cover your eyes and be a half mask. It can be on a surface, and then when it's dry, it will be flat on one side, not really fit to your face. However, depending on how adventurous you feel, you're welcome to take saran wrap, place over just your eyes, and then ask a friend or family member to help apply the strips over the plastic saran wrap that touches your face and cover your actual face. This is fine as long as it doesn't get in your hair. As you can see, it gets pretty messy. You'll need to decide what you want your mask to look like. I decided to make mine cat eyes, so I added on the ears as you saw. Now I'm trying to figure out how to make this nose shape stand up a little. I tucked the scissors in there to help, but you can also use the scissors to cut the strips smaller. You're going to want to spend a lot of time with the forming process. As you bring it together, figure out exactly what you want to do, because once the strips get wet, you have to form them. They cannot be reused when they dry. You only have so many strips. After the form is complete, you can wait about 5 minutes without touching it so that it can dry. Then you need to move it and not touch it for about 24 hours. How long? 24 hours. Take the plastic cup full of plaster and water and let it sit. The water will disappear because it evaporates. Then you can take the plaster and put it in the trash. Now we're ready to paint. Find a trash bag and use it as your drop cloth. We don't want paint everywhere. And you can even use the trash bag again. At this time, you'll need to determine what you will paint on your mask. Some things to remember. Colors opposite on the color wheel make brown. So that would be red and green, purple and yellow, orange and blue. Maybe you need to get a color wheel out and find out the opposite complementary colors. You also want to think about blending. The paint will blend best while it's wet. I don't mean with water, I mean before it dries. So if you're wanting to make things lighter, you can add white to them. If you want to make it darker, you can add black. Take a lot of time with the painting. Maybe put some details on there. What will you create?